Welcome to the tour idea. Today we are going to talk about 10 must-try Thai dishes. First, we shouldn't miss when traveling to Thailand. Pad Thai is a stir-fried noodle dish that is both sweet and savory. It typically includes rice noodles, shrimp or chicken, eggs, bean sprouts, tofu and peanuts. It's often garnished with lime wedges and sometimes served with a side of chili flakes or a few sprigs of cilantro. Second is Tom Yum Goong, is a hot and sour soup known for its bold, aromatic flavors. The soup features shrimp, mushrooms, tomatoes, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and chili peppers. Flavored with spicy and sour, with a fragrant herbal aroma. Third is Som Tum, is a spicy green papaya salad that combines shredded unripe papaya with tomatoes, green beans, peanuts, and dried shrimp. It's dressed with a mixture of lime juice, fish sauce, palm sugar, and chilies. Flavor: spicy, tangy, and slightly sweet. Fourth, Massaman curry. This rich and flavorful dish is a beautiful blend of Thai and Indian influences. It's often made with tender chunks of beef, potatoes, and peanuts, simmered in a fragrant coconut milk-based sauce. The spices used in Massaman curry, like cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, give it a unique and warming taste. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a real treat. Fifth. Next up, we have green curry. This vibrant and aromatic curry is a staple in Thai cuisine. It's made with green curry paste, which gets its color from fresh green chilies, and is cooked with coconut milk, bamboo shoots, Thai eggplants, and sweet basil. The result is a deliciously spicy and slightly sweet dish that pairs perfectly with steamed jasmine rice. It's a must-try for any Thai food lover. Sixth, finally, Pad Crapo Moo Sap. This popular street food is a stir-fry made with minced pork, garlic, chilies, and the star ingredient, holy basil. It's typically served over rice and topped with a fried egg. The combination of spicy, savory, and aromatic flavors makes it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Give it a try, and you'll see why it's so beloved. Seventh, Khao Pad. This delightful Thai fried rice dish is a staple in many households. It's typically made with fragrant jasmine rice, stir-fried with eggs, onions, and a variety of vegetables. Often, you'll find it garnished with slices of cucumber and a wedge of lime. The beauty of Khao Pad lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can add your choice of protein, be it chicken, shrimp, or even tofu. It's a perfect meal for any time of the day. 8. Now, let's talk about Pad See Ew. This is a popular Thai street food that features wide rice noodles stir-fried with dark soy sauce, Chinese broccoli, and either pork, chicken, or shrimp. The name Pad See Ew literally means fried with soy sauce, and the dish is known for its savory and slightly sweet flavor profile. The noodles are often cooked to a perfect, chewy texture, making each bite incredibly satisfying. It's a comfort food that many locals and visitors alike can't get enough of. 9th, moving on to Yam Nua, which is a Thai beef salad. This dish is a harmonious blend of tender beef slices, fresh herbs, and a tangy lime dressing. The beef is usually grilled to perfection, then mixed with ingredients like mint, cilantro, onions, and tomatoes. The dressing, made with lime juice, fish sauce, and a hint of chili, brings all the flavors together in a refreshing and zesty way. Yam Nua is often enjoyed as a light, yet flavorful appetizer or a main course. 10th, finally, we arrive at Kai Med Ma Muang, or Thai chicken with cashew nuts. This dish is a delightful combination of tender chicken pieces stir-fried with crunchy cashew nuts, dried chilies, and an array of colorful vegetables. The sauce, a mix of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of sweetness, coats everything beautifully, creating a rich and savory taste. It's a dish that's both satisfying and packed with textures and flavors, making it a favorite among many Thai cuisine enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, The Tour Idea.